The first update of the Samsung Galaxy 24 Ultra is released now. With this update, Samsung is improved the camera performance and fixing issues that you face in the Galaxy S24 Ultra. This update size is 750 MB. With this update, Samsung has improved the whole camera area, include camera video shooting capabilities. Samsung also improved the night mode and the portrait mode and zoom mode as well, and camera performance is a very stable. And finally, Samsung is improved the vivid display setting. With this update, now you can make the display of the Samsung S24 Ultra more vivid. There's indeed a noticeable difference in saturation when you turn the vividness all the way up compared to the natural mode. It is very noticeable. And if you watch my previous video, I already informed to you, Samsung is giving a surprise to their old customer. For those who have the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5, Samsung Galaxy Flip 5, and the Samsung Galaxy S23 series, these phones receive Galaxy AI features in the form of one US 6.1, and there are many cool features in the AI like live call, translate to wallpaper generation, and write better email, and a lot of better features. And this update is official released at the end of March. It's mean you don't need to buy Galaxy S24 series for AI features. You can enjoy this AI features in your old device. And this software update is fully optimized. It's mean your phone is don't slow or do not log. So it's all like and share and subscribe for more details.